It's Sunday, July 3, 2022. Top news headlines. The Georgian village facing Russian creeping occupation. Lukashenko says Ukraine fired missiles at Belarus military posts. Tunisian Constitution Committee head condemns president's draft. Protesters demand justice after police killing of black man in US. Uzbekistan imposes state of emergency in protest hit Karakalpak. Governors point to Biden admin's refusal to enforce law as Supreme Court sounds alarm about protests. Billionaire skewers Biden for deep misunderstanding of basic econ. Worker disappears after accidentally overpaid 330 times his salary. Biden's demanding message for gas stations praised by foreign adversary. Pop star tells Roe decision supporters to never listen to her music again. 100-year-old World War II vet breaks down. Says this isn't the country we fought for. I am so upset. 2 dead. 3 police officers wounded near Fort Worth following shootout with suspect. Lysychansk, the last remaining eastern stronghold, could soon fall, Zelensky advisor predicts. Airshow disaster. Jet-fueled truck racing. Planes up to 300 miles per hour bursts into flames, killing 1 person. Turkey seeks a just peace between Russia, Ukraine, Alton says. A big problem. Uganda sees spike in human sacrifice incidents. Live blog. Russia claims control of Ukraine's entire Luhansk region. Tsitsipas slams Bully Kyrgios after fiery Wimbledon clash. Israel to test bullet that killed Palestinian journalist Abu Akleh. Thousands in Sydney ordered to evacuate before life-threatening flood. 68-year-old Palestinian woman dies in Israeli detention. Top Chinese diplomat in Myanmar amid opposition protest. Macedonians protest French proposal over heritage dispute with Bulgaria. Turkey is determined in the fight against climate crisis, Emin Erdogan says. Israel intercepts hostile Hezbollah drones amid rising tensions. Turkey's famous Kirkpina oil wrestling event marks record participation. Indian police make more arrests in Taylor's murder that sparked tensions. Transgender shatters Adam Harry's dream to be a pilot. Denied bail. Alt News co-founders Agar sent to 14 days in judicial custody. Tista Settlebird. Srikumar remanded in judicial custody. AAP's claims of creating 10 lakh jobs misleading. Pulitzer-winning Kashmiri photojournalist stopped from flying to Paris. When Sundays in Kolkata meant road trips, wood fires, and a cook who fed both the body and soul, what Schumer Raha tells. Lukashenko says Ukraine fired missiles at Belarus military posts. Palestinians to hand bullet that killed Shireen Abu Akleh to US. UN condemns protesters who stormed Libya parliament. Chile's new constitution finalized after turbulent process. Gaspar Dominguez briskly walked down the steps of Santiago's majestic former Congress building into the harsh brightness of the winter sun in downtown Santiago. The 33-year-old medic has spent the past year in the building, now a national monument, writing Chile's new constitution as part of a 154-strong assembly.